Entrepreneurs, businessmen, leaders. So sa mga may-ari ng kumpanya, you have to understand, who among you here wants to acquire talent? Sino dito yung gusto mong mag-hire or may makasama kang taong magagaling? Lahat tayo. Right? You have to be willing to pay. Ito problema. Hirap mag-hire ng mas magaling sa akin. Still, self-image. But when you hire someone who's so good, A players, you pay money. Either you pay for their skill, you pay for their talent, and there are people who are what we call, they are not high maintenance. May kakilala kang ganyan, magaling magbenta, they're so good in selling. The problem is, you have to motivate them all the time. High maintenance, araw-araw mong imomotivate, pero magaling. Maybe these players, you pay them less money, but you spend a lot of time and energy with these people. There are A players, which means that you don't have to spend a lot of time with them. They get things done. When you give them instructions, boom, done. It's only a matter of time. You don't have to stress a lot. Hindi mo kailangan tapik-tapikin ng balikat, kaya mo yan. Pabayaan mo ako sa trabaho ko, tatapusin ko trabaho ko. Those are A players. These people, you pay them more. Why? Because you don't have to spend a lot of time with them. But there are players who can decide. There are players who can 10x and 20x your business. I have players like that in my business. What do? I give them percentage of my business. Right now, mas konti yung team ko, pero mas malakas yung team ko. Meaning, you have to be willing to give so that you can receive more.